Hey guys, I'm going to show you the coolest smoothie-like drink that I've ever made. I created this myself. You're free to do it the way you want, okay? This is a Vitamix 5200. Break out the blender you have. You may have to downsize for the smaller blenders, okay? But I put 2 bananas in, a full package of cut strawberries, okay? They're rinsed and they're cut. You put them all in there. And 1 fill out, 2 fill out, clean counter, all right? 2 more in there, all right? You take it's a flexible rubber spatula, all right? This is light and fit, 80 calories for a serving or something. You just take about 1/3 of the container and put it in there. My wife will be mad if I take the whole thing, all right? So I'm just gonna let that rest in there. Then you may take the milk and fill it up to probably the top. Now keep in mind, the more yogurt you put in, the thicker it's going to be. And a lot of times you can't get it out of the container if it's too thick. So you put the milk up until it covers up almost to the top of the fruit. That's 2% milk. Okay, the top's on, power's in. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to bring it up to speed. It's not that loud, really. Okay, look around it to make sure it's getting all the dairy products. And that's it. Turn it off and it's done. Now you may want to refrigerate it, but most everything came out of the refrigerator anyway. I mean, virtually everything but the bananas. But I mean, if you want to taste it, now the yogurt's still on this, so hey, I'm the only one, so it's okay for me to do that. Just take a little bit of it. Perfect. Has some banana, definitely strawberry. It's great. Just added 2 bags of Nestle's chocolate. And it can have marshmallows if you want. And mix it up. You just added chocolate to it. And it's all off the top and blend it in. That is sweet. Now taste it. Oh yeah. Hey, hit subscribe and see a lot more videos. Take care. Bye.